My name is Honorable Zillah. I'm a member of Council Assembly of Kakamega, where I was nominated to represent young people in the assembly. So today was a great day. I'm really proud of what happened. It was significant. And the reason as to why I relate with this project is that I've been coordinating the partners and the county government from the initiation stage of this project at the beginning of last year. And today it was the big day we were watching it. And I'm happy. And I appreciate the efforts the partners have put in place and the commitment the county government has put in place to ensure that it is a success. The implication is much great. I have visited the Polytechnic severally, been doing capacity assessment after every 3 months. And one thing that shows this project has been very impactful to this community and the Polytechnic is the fact that from the data, we are already having a triple admission entry. So Polytechnic was having less than 300 participants, but once we completed this digital hub, it has attracted more young people. And you know how they relate with the internet and technology. The institution now is having almost 700 student admission. So it's even a challenge. The county now has to commit to look into how they can improve the infrastructure to accommodate the increase in enrollment at the Polytechnic. Another key thing is that students are finding learning so interesting. They're able to research online on what they're being trained. Those who are completing their courses, they've been able to create accounts, simple websites through the training with their tutors to market their products and services after they did this Polytechnic. The facilitators, the tutors at the assembly, they've been trained by several partners. One, Huawei, through Huawei Academy, has been able to take them for several training just to build their capacity so that they can offer more coursework and services to our young people in this institution. We have Stanbic Foundation, which has just stepped in, and by the virtue of us having this Polytechnic, they use this ICT hub to train all ICT facilitators, around 40. They were trained just because we have this facility here. So you can see how great the impact is. Students like those doing automotive engineering, they're able to go through programs like through simulation easily, virtual, and learning and exploring more. So it's a great impact. Kakamega and Shiata Polytechnic Club right now are a center of excellence when it comes to polytechnics and institutions, because they've even been able to add more training just beyond the basic. Initially, they were just training students on basic computer packages. One thing our Kakamega County Polytechnics are doing right now, every student who is enrolling at the Polytechnic has to undergo a training on ICT. All the students. So there's learning even in shifts to accommodate that. And that is making more students want to enroll into this facility. As a legislator, I have a role to play at the county assembly to ensure now we have more funding in the education sector so that we can be able to have other similar models like this one, because now the county government has seen the impact and its value. So it is easier to push on legislation and budgeting to ensure that we have more polytechnics upgraded to this level. So far we have 68 polytechnics, only 2 that were launched today have a digital hub. So we intend to ensure in the next financial year, as we are doing our budgeting, we factor in more polytechnics. I'd like to encourage young people out there. There's so much opportunities available for them when they leverage on the power of social media, internet, and technology. So as much as opportunities are limited when it comes to employment, there are so much online courses that they can be able to explore. So I'm asking them to tap into these opportunities. Those who have completed school, even those who dropped out of school, please enroll at our polytechnics and take advantage of this facility so that they can be able to improve their livelihoods, be able to establish themselves and a decent living, because Nigeria will also be partnering with this county polytechnics to train them through how they can be able to work online and earn a decent living. And one last word, I just want to big up all our partners, Huawei, partner to Strathmore University, ITU, Konza, and all the other partners. We appreciate them. We appreciate the impact they've brought in Kakamega County. And we're looking forward to more partnership to ensure that we reach out to more young people and impact their lives as well. Thank you so much.